Hello everyone. Today we're talking about a gadget that sounds like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, the water flosser. Yes, that machine which sits in your bathroom and makes you feel like a mini dentist. But the real question is, do you really need it or is it just another fancy marketing trick? चलिए आज मैं आपको इसका सच बताती हूँ. नो शुगर कोटिंग, ओनली ट्रूथ. Imagine a tiny water gun shooting jets of water between your teeth. That's exactly what a water flosser does. It uses pressurized water to remove food particles and plaque between the teeth under the gum line. Simple comparison, if string floss is like a broom, water flosser is like a high pressure jet spray. Both clean, just different style. Then who actually needs it? Here's where most people get confused. My patients often ask, Doctor, if I buy a water flosser, can I skip flossing altogether? मेरा जवाब होता है, अरे भाई, शॉर्टकट हर जगह काम नहीं आता है. Now, who really benefits from this is people with braces. String floss get stuck, water flosser saves the day. Patients with implants, those with very sensitive gums. And of course, people who absolutely hate string floss, which is, let's admit, almost everyone. For others, if you're already brushing and flossing properly, you're fine. Water flosser is more like a luxury add-on, not a survival hack. Okay, let's list the pros, Bollywood trailer style. First is easy to use, no finger gymnastics needed. Second is gentle on gums, less bleeding drama. Third is great for braces, unlike string floss which behaves like Delhi traffic always stuck. Fourth is plaque control. Studies show it helps reduce gingivitis. Fifth is cool factor. Admit it, spraying water from a gadget feels like high tech. But remember, this is not a magic wand. Skip brushing and say water flosser ही काफी है तो cavity फिर भी आएगी friends. Of course, it's not perfect. It's bulky. It's not very travel friendly. You need to refill water, clean the device, and this is an extra effort that you have to make. And yes, it costs more. Good ones are around 3,000 to 7,000 bucks. Compare that to rupees 50 का आपका string floss. बहुत ही simple maths है. So it's comfort versus पैसा. Your choice. So do you really need a water flosser? Answer is it depends. If you have braces, implants or bleeding gums, it can make a big difference. But if you are a healthy patient who can floss regularly, it's just an extra. Think of it like this. Brushing and flossing is like a regular thali. Water flosser is a paneer butter masala with extra naan. Delicious? Yes. Necessary? Not always. So final tip is whether you buy it or not, नेवर स्किप ब्रशिंग एंड फ्लॉसिंग, नहीं तो फिर डेंटिस्ट के पास रूट कैनाल करवाना ही पड़ेगा और तब आपको लगेगा पैसे वाटर फ्लॉसर पे ही खर्च कर देते तो बेटर था. सो आई एम डॉक्टर पलक चुग रिमाइंडिंग यू, टेक केयर ऑफ योर टीथ वरना डेंटिस्ट की ईएमआई आपको देनी पड़ेगी. थैंक यू सो मच.